In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to Squarespace website. By the end, you'll have a clean professional reviews widget on your site that updates automatically and builds trust with visitors. First, head over to Elfsight, a platform that creates plug-and-play widgets for websites. Once you're in, look for the option to add a new app. This opens a catalog of widgets. Choose Google Reviews. This app pulls in your public reviews from Google and presents them in a customizable layout that fits your brand. You'll see a gallery of templates. Pick one that matches your site's style: carousel, grid, list, or a badge. Don't worry, you can fine-tune colors, fonts, and how many reviews show later, but starting with the right template saves time. When you've found the look you like, click. Continue with this template to open the editor. Now, add your business name. Type it exactly as it appears on Google so Elfsight can find the correct place listing. When your business appears, select it. You should immediately see real reviews populate in the live preview. Take a moment to check the star rating display, reviewer photos, and date format. These small details help your widget feel authentic and on brand. When everything looks good, click Publish. This generates the embed code you'll place on Squarespace. In the widget's dashboard, open the menu by clicking the three dots, then select Embed Code. Click Copy Code. You've now got the snippet that powers the widget. Switch over to your Squarespace website and open the page where you want the reviews to appear. In the editor, add a new block where you want the widget to live. Choose the Embed block from the block picker. After it's placed, click the pencil icon to edit the block's contents. In the editor that opens, switch to the code snippet option, then paste the code you copied from Elfsight into the field. You should see a preview of your reviews. If it doesn't show immediately, that's normal. Some previews load after you apply changes. Save or publish your page, then view it on the live site to confirm everything is displaying correctly. If you need to adjust styling, spacing, or which reviews show, head back to your Elfsight widget, make the changes, and they'll update on your site without pasting a new code. That's it. You've added Google reviews to your Squarespace site using Elfsight, giving visitors timely, trustworthy social proof with minimal effort.